Cars, cars, windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
That's a cargo plane. It's such a big plane that it can take bigger types of vehicles to other places. The vehicles are going up the ramp and into the plane. The ramp is going up. The plane's engine is spinning. It's ready for takeoff. It's heading out to the takeoff strip. Time for the plane to accelerate and take off into the sky. The weather is getting worse. It looks like there's going to be a thunderstorm. A lightning bolt hit the engine. They need to get back to the airport for some help right away. The helper cars are leaving their garage. The tug. The scissor lift truck. The fire engine. And an excavator with a grapple. Well done, plane. The plane is at the airport. The engine that's on fire is stopping the plane landing. That didn't work. Let's try landing a second time. Do you think the plane will manage it this time? Yay! It's landed! The fire engine is going to put out the plane's engine. Look how much foam there is! The fire's been put out. Let's wash away the foam with some water. Wonderful work! The passengers are safe now. They're leaving the airplane. The tug is ready to do its job now. It's taking the airplane into the hangar. They'll fix up the airplane in the hangar. The excavator's using its grapple to remove the burnt-out engine. The scissor lift truck has to take away the old engine and bring back a new one. There it is, the new engine. Let's put it where it belongs. The new engine fits nicely. Did you know that planes can't drive backwards by themselves? All airplanes need a tug to guide them out of the hangar. The plane's motorized passengers are getting aboard again. The weather is much nicer now. They should definitely have a safe flight. The helper cars are heading back to their garage. Time for a rest. They'll have more work tomorrow.
Cars, 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 windshields, wheels, trucks and doors, they drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
The little cars are throwing around a paper plane. Oh, it's landed on the purple car. Take off. There's a real airplane. It's heading for the takeoff strip. It's picking up speed, and it's taking off. The red car is trying to take off too. But it's just a car. Let's try to come up with a way to help it. Knock, knock. Good morning, helper cars. Could you help the little car learn to fly? Our helper cars can do anything. Where are they off to? The dump truck has brought some green blocks. The crane truck is picking up the blocks with its powerful magnet. And the little cars are pushing them. Look, they've made a ramp. The red car is picking up speed. And it's flying! Boom! It landed right on a pile of soft tires, so it hasn't been hurt. The red car still wants to fly high in the sky like a real airplane, with a propeller and wings. Hey, this way, everybody! The crane truck has picked up a wing. And here's a propeller. Time to go to the repair shop. Let's see what we can do. The red car has driven onto the car lift. Shall we put some wings on it? 1 and 2. They really suit you. Now for the tail. Let's change his number for a propeller. All done. What do you think? Will the red car be able to fly? Let's go and find out. The car has started its engine. It's picking up speed. And it's taking off. It's working. The red car is flying like a real airplane. The airplane car is very happy. It's flying over the repair shop. One more circle. And it's landed. Time to go to the repair shop and become a car again. Let's take off the wings, the tail, and the propeller. Let's stick his number back on too. Look, now you're a car again, with wheels and your own number. Hooray! Let's go and play. The helper cars are going back to the garage again. It was a very interesting job.
Cars, cars, cars. Windshields, wheels, trucks and doors. They drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 cars. Made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
This is an airport. A little excavator is clearing the field for the airplanes and cars. There sure is a lot of snow today. Look, there's even snow on top of the control tower. Inside the tower, there's a sleeping puppy. Wake up, tower control. An airplane's coming in. The airplane is starting to land. It's already lowering its landing gear, but the runway is covered with snow. The tower refused permission to land. The puppy is off to bring some help. Here's the helper car's garage. Which of the helper cars can most quickly help clear the runways today for landing planes? The puppy is asking all of them to help. The snowblower is clearing the road. It scoops up the snow with its spinning blade and throws it to the side of the road. The front end loader collects the snow into piles. The plane is landing. Perfect landing. A Follow Me service car is waiting at the end of the runway. It guides the airplane to the parking area. A boarding stairs truck pulls up to the airplane's door. Now the passengers can exit. 4 kittens have arrived on the plane. A shuttle bus will take them to the airport terminal. A fuel truck is driving up. It's going to refuel the plane for its next flight. Inside the airport terminal gate, little cars are waiting. The kittens have just arrived, and the little cars are going to fly out on the same plane. The boarding stairs truck is at the airplane door. The little cars are going up to board the plane. The boarding stairs pull away and the door closes, but the plane can't take off yet. Look how much snow there is. This de-icing machine treats the airplane with special de-icing fluid. The plane mustn't fly with ice on its body and wings. Look how the snow and ice are disappearing. Great job! Thank you.
The Follow Me service car shows the airplane the way to the runway. The tower has given permission to take off. Have a good flight, airplane. The cars are returning to the garage. Your task was really hard because it was so cold out there, but you handled it perfectly.
Cars, cars, cars. Windshields, wheels, trucks and doors. They drive and honk. We ride along and then together sing a song.
Cars!
Cars, 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 cars. Made of many moving parts. Sing and they'll hear, beep and steer, and take you to high gear.
Helper cars.
The yellow car is off to the shops for some sweets. But the weather in Candy Town isn't great today. The sky is full of storm clouds, and there's a strong wind blowing. But there's the candy ball machine. Little car, there's no time to play. We've got to get back home. Now look, the candy balls have flown away. It's starting to rain. Look out, little car. It's a hurricane. The hurricane is turning everything over. The candy shops are being pulled up into the air. My, oh my! The wind was very strong. Their foundations weren't strong enough, so all the buildings have been flipped over. We've got to lay some new foundations and get all the shops back in place. Do you know what to do? Let's go to the Helper Cars garage for some help. Knock, knock, knock! We'll need 4 concrete mixers for the job. A green one. A blue one. An orange one. And a pink one. The concrete mixers are off to Candy Town. Each of them is going to lay the foundation for the shop that matches their color. The excavator's already dug 4 holes for the foundations. Let's pour some blue cement in here. Now we need to put the blue shop back. The helicopter can lend a hand there. It's lifting the blue shop up. And it's setting it on the new foundation. All done. Muffins and cupcakes are going to be sold in this shop. The green concrete mixer is pouring green cement mixture out of its drum. The orange one's pouring out some peach-colored cement. How pretty! The pink foundation's going here. The helicopter is putting the big lollipop back in place. The little yellow car is going to the shop for sweets. Enjoy your sweets. The helper cars are heading back to their garage. They really must get some rest now. There will be new work waiting for them tomorrow.
Helper cars.